Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Placement Guidance. Today I have come up with another great opportunity, Oracle hiring for the batches 2019, 2020 and 2021. And believe me, those who are not good in coding, take this as a great opportunity and apply fast for it. And this opportunity is not only for fresher but also for experienced one. So in this video, we will talk about that for which role it is hiring, its qualification criteria and their job description. So watch the video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video so that I get more motivation for making videos on off-campus opportunity. So first we will see of which role it is hiring. It is hiring for the expert services associate. So this is the role for which it is hiring, and in detail we will see that what is the job description, and the location for this is Bengaluru, Karnataka, and the last date for it is 15 October. Don't think that it's too late, apply fast for it. And it's a full time opportunity, and applicants are required to read, write and speak the following languages, that is he or she should be proficient in English. So we will see in detail that what are the responsibilities you will get in this job role. So first, you should be expertise in product, like functioning as a power user for Oracle's email marketing platform. Like you should know everything about email. Like if you send someone a message, so it should not go to their spam mails, or after that you should know that who all have seen your mail and who all not have. So you should be expertise in this, like you should know the basic functionality of all these things. So client support, provide day-to-day client support for all campaign related support activities. So if he should be able to answer all to the queries of the client support, campaign execution, scope, build, test and launch simple to highly advanced email campaigns and interactive programs. Like he can also add an extra feature to the email for the Oracle delivery, collaboration, documentation, reporting, best practices, culture. So these are all the responsibility you will get in this job profile. So, and the experience, like now the qualification, we will talk about 0 to 2 years of professional experience required. Professional experience means like suppose you have done something in HTML, you have the basic knowledge of HTML, basic knowledge of email, like done some implementation, practical implementation on all these things. So it's a professional experience for a fresher. And like it's a 0 to 2 experience, so a fresher can also apply for it. Ideal candidate will have email marketing or interactive marketing industry experience. So as I mentioned, knowledge of HTML should be there. Degrees eligible for this is bachelor's degree in marketing, information technology or related degree, like information technology like IT or CS. Any degree can apply for this. And you should have strong communication skills, experience working with email marketing tools. As I said, you should know the basic features of the email, how to send an email, and how it should not be sent to the spam mail to the other. A team player who also works well independently, thinks creatively, solves problem and takes initiative. So this all skills should be in a person. So now we will see how to apply for this. So there is a button for apply now. You should click on this, and after that you will get to this page. Here you have to mention your email address, and then you click on this I agree with the terms and conditions, and then click on the next. After that you will get this page. You can also apply with LinkedIn or apply with Indent if you have an account on these two platforms. Otherwise, just upload your resume, and here they have asked for some fields you have to fill this, like last name, first name, title, like Miss, Mr. or whatever, middle name, and then your email address they have asked. Then re-enter your email address, then enter your phone number, and then enter your country, and then click on the next. And after you click on the next, there are, like they will ask, like previously have you worked in Oracle or not, the like your gender. So these are the questions you have to fill, and then click on the submit. Then your application will be submitted. So talk about its salary, like Oracle always provides the best of like industry. So its package is always above 5, and it also depends on your interview, that how your interview goes. So this is a great opportunity and you should all apply for it. Thank you. Hope you like the video.